Hello, my name is Neta Corinthians, and I will be presentation about the different type of editing transition. In film production, there are a lot of things that we have to do to make one film. One of those things are called editing. The process of editing is when an editor review, assemble, and organize the footage captured from production. The editor also has control of the final plot and look of the film. In order to move from one footage to another, there is this thing called transition. There are a lot of ways on how to transition a shot to another, but here we going to focus on the four basic transitions that are frequently used. Okay. Yeah. Four basic transition. First, the cut, the dissolve, the wave, and the fade. First, the cut. First, the cut is an instant change between one shot to another. It usually happens very sudden because this is when the last full frame of picture for one shot is immediately followed by the first full frame of picture for the next shot. This transition is one the most simple way to transition a shot. Second, the dissolve. The dissolve is a slow change from the ending picture of one shot in the beginning picture of the next shot. This is usually achieved by a superposition of both shots with a downward and upward opacity that at the same time over a particular period of time. This shows how the first shot dissolves and the beginning of the next shot resolves. Third, the wave. This is how the name describes it. A line progressing at a certain angle or shape that moves across the screen, removing the image of the first shot and also revealing the next shot at the same time. The waving technique replaces the shots before on the screen. And last, the fade. This is also how to name describe it. There are two types of fade, the fade in and the fade out. But both will also do the same by transition using a blank space. The fade in is when a blank space then fades to the real opacity of the next shot. On the other hand, the fade out turns down the opacity of the first shot and transitioning this to the blank space. The blank space is usually a blank screen or white screen, but it can really be any color of a blank space. Fade in usually lasts for a long time, then the other transition to show the time difference in the movie context. These are for the basic ways to use transition in editing. I hope this will help you in your editing, and I would like to thank you for listening. Goodbye.